How to connect a link cable Quest 2. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your Meta Quest 2 headset to your PC using a link cable. Whether you want to play SteamVR games or access Oculus Rift content, this setup is fast and simple. Let's get started. Step 1. What do you need? Here's what you need. Your Meta Quest 2 headset, a high-speed USB cable, either the official Oculus Link cable or a good quality alternative, and a VR-ready PC. Make sure you also have the Oculus app installed on your computer. Step 2. Install the Oculus app. On your PC, go to meta.com Quest Setup, download the Oculus app, and log in with your Meta account. This app is essential for using your Quest 2 with a PC. Step 3. Connect the link cable. Now, plug one end of the USB cable into your PC and the other end into your Quest 2 headset. Make sure you're using a USB 3.0 port for best performance. Step 4. Enable link on the headset. Put on your headset. You will see a prompt ask if you want to allow data access. Choose Deny. Then, you will be asked if you want to enable Oculus Link. Select Enable. Step 5. Test and start playing. Back on your PC, you can open the Oculus app and go to Devices to check the connection. From here, you can access Oculus Rift games or even launch SteamVR if you have installed. Extra tip: if you run into any issues, try using a different USB port or restarting your PC. And don't forget to keep your graphics drivers and Oculus software up to date. And that's it. That was a quick tutorial on how to connect your Quest 2 on your PC using a link cable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.